Are you out of time when it comes to supersizing your business? Of course, I can't get it to ring now. All right, so this is a timer. It's supposed to be out of time, not ringing, of course. Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom today for supersize your business is out of time. Now, out of time is one of those expressions that can mean several different things. Out of time might mean we're literally we've run out of time. The timer's gone off, which it's going to go off in the middle of me talking now because I didn't turn it off. So we run out of time. I think of back to the time when we were getting ready for school and we were going to miss the bus. If we were out of time to get ready for school, if we didn't get moving, we were going to miss the bus. We were out of time. Or test taking in the school days, and even after school days when we do professional credentials and things, we actually have timed tests. I remember when I became a real estate agent or real estate broker, I had timed tests. When I became a certified quality manager, there were timed tests. When I did different certifications and qualifications, they had usually timed tests that went along with those. And if you didn't finish, you ran out of time. So there's that type of out of time, or not having enough time to do something. So a project that runs over, or a project that we run out of time on, or an opportunity to present to a customer we might run out of time on. Maybe we miss an opportunity because we didn't prepare quickly enough or hear about it in time. We were out of time. We heard about the opportunity late. Another way to be out of time means if you're off, if you're not of the usual time or not at the usual time. If something is at a different time, it's out of time. If you're playing in an orchestra or a band and one of the players is off timing, you can hear it in the music because the music will sound weird and funky and out of time. Another way of describing out of time or being out of time is to be at the wrong time or the wrong period of time. So maybe you're ahead of your time or behind the times when it comes to the competition or what your products and services are offering your customers. So how do you use this in your business? How do you make sure that you are on time and you don't run out of time? Well, number one, planning. Make sure that you're planning and organizing, researching, continually improving and staying on top of things. People like to think that they run out of time and they miss out on opportunities and they have this big fear of missing out on things. But the truth is, if the opportunity were right for you and the timing were right and everything were lined up and perfect, you would not be out of time. You would have perfectly been timed and taken advantage of that opportunity. Opportunities are around us all the time. There's infinite possible ways of building and supersizing our business, and the way that's right for you in your business is going to be different than everyone else, and the timing then is going to be different for you than for anyone else. So we're never really out of time when it comes to, well, unless of course we die, then we're definitely out of time. But otherwise, or our business dies, or we decide to stop doing our business, then it's out of time. But otherwise, we just keep growing and going and trying and doing and attempting different things and figuring out what works for us. So love to know how you have experienced this particular idiom or expression, out of time. I can think of lots of ways when I felt like I was running out of time. You know, there's so many ways. I can think of so many examples of this. You know, women's biological clock. You think that they often think that they're running out of time to have children. We think we're running out of time to make $1 billion or make $1 million or to grow our business or to supersize our business. But again, I think everything happens for a reason and at a time that is appropriate for us. And as we grow and become the person we need to be to lead the supersized business that we're trying to grow, when we achieve that, that's when our business will really take off and grow and expand. So, do we really run out of time? I don't know. Question for you today. Have a great day. If I can help you, you may ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with one or two more time. Probably what's today, the 29th, 30th, 31st. 2 more days of time-related idioms. Have an awesome day, and don't run out of time. Make sure you're on time today. Bye.